In this video, you will learn how to use the screen capture tool. The screen capture tool can be found in the notebook toolbar. It's going to look like this little camera here, and if you hover over it, it'll say screen capture. This tool is really useful if you would like to add things into your notebook lesson from the internet. So I'm going to show you a few ways that I've used it before. So to go ahead and get started, you're going to click the screen capture tool. A little option box is going to pop up, and that's going to stay on your screen until you X out of it. You can move it wherever you want. Now we're going to go to the internet. So let's say that I'm teaching a lesson on triangles, and I really like how this picture tells the differences between the three types of triangles. So I'm going to use my little menu box here. There's a few different ways you can do this. I'm going to start with the first way, which is the area capture. I like this because you can just capture the specific piece of this page that you want. So if I click that, looks like a little bullseye is going to pop up, and I just go ahead and outline the area that I want to capture. And it'll say capturing to notebook, and now if I go back to notebook, it has added this to my page, and I can go ahead and resize it, I can move it, I can put it wherever I want on the notebook page. So let's go back to the internet. I'm going to show you a couple other options, the full screen capture and the window capture. I don't use these very often, but I want to show you how they work. So if we go back to the internet, and here I have a map of the United States, and let's say I want to capture this whole window, so this whole picture. What I'm going to do is just go to the full screen capture, and this is going to take a picture of the whole screen. So it captured it. If we go back to notebook, we can see literally it's everything you see on the computer screen captured into notebook. Going back to the internet again into that map, let's look at the option where you do the window capture. If I click on the window with the camera, it's going to capture it to notebook. And again, you can see it's just the window, whatever was in that window online on the internet. So that's another couple options. And then the last option here is the freehand capture. I haven't quite mastered how to use this yet, so you're going to have to kind of play around with it when you start using capturing. But if you click the freehand, it's going to give you an amount of space you can capture. So if I just want that much space, capture it, go back to notebook, and it just took that piece out. So it kind of lets you put pictures into your notebook that are not square shaped or rectangular shaped, but more of that curved shape. One more way that I really love using capturing is a lot of you know you can get the journal pages in PDF form online, the Everyday Math Journal pages if you're elementary. What's nice about the screen capture is, let's say my kids struggled with this math box problem. It wasn't the whole math box, but maybe it was number 3. What I can do is I can go to that area capture, and I can take number 3, and now that's in my notebook lesson. So the kids come in, and maybe this is what I have up that I want to go over as a whole class. So lots of different ways you can use capture. Again, it really comes in handy when you want to add things into your notebook lesson.